Hey guys, glad to see you. This is Jack from Foshan Upper Machinery Equipment Company. We are a professional feeding and packaging line industry, and am now delivering my first radio to Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to introduce to you guys about our company. Right now, I'm located in Foshan, Guangdong, China, and it's 4 o'clock p.m. And certainly you know where I am. Yeah, just in front of our workshop. And I'm going to show you guys our workshop. Follow me. Right here we can see there are all kinds of pillow packaging machine, you know. We got all different kind of size. You see we got 100, 330 and 450. The size is bigger and the number is bigger, the size is bigger, and it's almost, we are almost talking about is main belt wide to package different kind of products that you provided with us. And here we are coming through biscuit and chocolate bars, this kind of product, feeding and packing line. You can see it has a really very wide main belt, and as it conveys, it's still under construction because you guys know that although we are not have too many workers. The reason is mainly because that we mostly do customization. We do as what clients ask we to do. So it's all in different kind of size. You can see. Okay, follow me. And here as an example, this might be chocolate line. There's a big conveyor, and it can be connected to 4 or 5 packaging line. And you see the motors, you see the belts, you see the packaging. You see the packaging line, and yeah, this is a full set. Okay, let's continue. There are so many sets on the construction. When we come here, we can see this is the collecting. This is the orderly collecting machine, and also it's connected with a component box. You know, it's a component machine. When the materials comes there, and they get selected orderly by the orderly collecting machine and disappear into the box, and to be here, to be packaged, to be get in a box, and finally get packaged. Okay, let's go on. You can see the steel, yeah, right here. This is the turntable feed line. So we use the turntable to make the materials roll and to pick the materials, and finally get packaged by the 320 packaging sheet. Yeah. There you go. Okay. They are all controlling machines. Okay, we have just now come back from factory, and now back to the office. And now let me introduce to you guys about our clients. You can see there we have clients from all over the world, from Arabian countries, from Russia, from Europe, from America, and yeah, all over the world. They have the pictures with our best sellers, with our bosses. You can see. And finally, I want you guys to see the clients. We have clients all over the world, from both international and from inside China. They are all, you can see the representative of Nabati. They are the biggest wafer makers. And soon there, the Boss, the Sila, the Weiwo, the Rosha, the Lesso, yeah, they are all big clients of our company. Let me introduce to you our sales department. Come on. As I said, we were a professional feeding and packing line industry who combines manufacturing, sales, and after-sale service. And what I think it will impress you is that our numerous certifications because of our creativity, and I'm taking you to look over them. Come on. Scan it, everyone. We have certifications nationwide, and maybe this one you can have a look at it. We got certificated by Beijing and by all kinds. And okay, take the video down, and below are samples that we package with cartons and fits. And to what you see, we can make a package of all kinds of products that, as long as you want, maybe we look over them. These are the boxes that we cartons in different kind of size. You can see the mug, the package, the mask, the biscuits, sandwich biscuits, and gum glue, and candies. Yeah, and the custard pie, and rices, and chocolates. And also we can use a tray if you want something like a moon of that kind. We can make a tray. We can make a pouch of the labels or things like that, and then make a package. And also we can make a package first, and secondly we can make a carton of them. And that's all that we can do. And finally, I just want to tell you guys that you will never be disappointed if you try to cooperate with us. We will do our best to provide with you guys our best products and service. Thank you.